focus and finish. Now, starting off, whenever we are managing organizations, it's clear that we need to empower people, right? People, when they show up for work, even on something as which is considered in the economic scale at the bottom of the pyramid, like a restaurant worker who is flipping burgers or who is a cashier at a restaurant, even they don't just perform the tasks that are assigned to them. They contribute also with their judgment and creativity. If the customer has a problem, then the frontline people have to exercise their judgment. If some problems come up in terms of maybe some workers are absent and it's peak time, what do you do? So you need to come up with creative solutions. And it is people on the front line who are going to do that, right? And of course, if you go up a little bit higher in terms of hierarchy, if we are talking about hierarchical organizations, then more and more, the higher you go, the less defined the tasks become, and the more and more you need to rely on people's judgment and creativity. But I think the main point here is that there is virtually no human organization which can function just in a command and control fashion. Even the army, even the military, soldiers on the front line need to exercise judgment and creativity. They need to follow orders, of course, but they also need to have judgment and creativity. Now, the challenge that comes up as a manager, as an executive, that I've seen personally, even in my organization, in realization, and we are a small company, we are about 100 some people, so it's still a fairly small organization. In a larger organization, which are our clients, I have seen this challenge even being bigger, that when you empower people, it can also hurt performance. And my reading on that is that the simple reason that happens is that local optimization, what you think is good locally, is not good globally. In fact, most of the times, local optimization hurts global optimum. So when anyone exercises their judgment and creativity and they approach it from what they see, which is their very local perspective, then the challenge will be that the solutions they come up with, they can hurt performance. I'll give you a very simple example. This was a long time ago when I